Hey friends, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to use secondary and third form buttons so you can customize the look and feel of your site, make it once, and make it beautiful throughout your site. So first things first, we are in 7.1 and we are using Fluid Engine. So if you are on 7.0 or an older version of Squarespace, you may not have this feature. But if you are on the latest version of Squarespace, take a look at what you can do. In here, you'll see we have these buttons. They look a little funny right now, but they have a couple features that are pretty cool, which are, you can see here, it says primary, and then there's secondary and tertiary. I don't know how to say that, but third. So we're going to focus on first and secondary, and then you could basically do whatever you want with the third as well and use the same features. The way I like to think about this is not just having different styles of buttons throughout your site, but having main call to actions and transitional call to actions. A main call to action is whatever your entire site is focused on doing for the individual who is visiting your site. So for example, we have this contact us button in the top right-hand corner. Most likely that is your main call to action. But a transitional call to action could be something like watching a video or checking out a services page or something like that. So what we're going to do here is it says book a call. I'm going to change this text here to say contact us just so it's consistent. And I'll do it like that. And then here I'm going to set this up to be learn more works. It could be watch now, watch the video, something like that. So the main thing you're going to want to do is just make sure that you have the button set up and this is primary, and then that this button next to it is secondary. They look identical right now, but in a few moments it's going to change. So just make sure you set that up, add the buttons, do what you need to. I'll add in the third one just so we have it as well. And I'll add this in and I'll drop it right. I'm going to actually, let me do this. I'm going to see if I can figure this out. Please be center. Okay, it looks center. So contact us, learn more. And then this one here is just going to be watch the video. Perfect. Okay, cool. And then the last thing here, I just need to click back into it. And then this is primary, so set it to this one. It automatically adjusts it. Hopefully they get that sorted, but that's good to go. And then this text box here, I'm just gonna make it one larger so it looks a little bit better. And drag that over and drag that over. Cool. So I'll hit save on that. So there we go. We have these three buttons customized. It looks really nice. There's some formatting problems, which we'll figure out. And if I look at mobile, you'll see how it forms. Now, this button's way down here, so I'd have to move this up a bit. But overall, it looks nice. It fills up the whole section well. So let's just go back to desktop and then we'll figure out mobile in a second. What I'll do here is I'll go to the design panel. So I'll go to design and then site styles. And then in here, we're gonna go to buttons. Now this is where all the magic happens. So you see primary, secondary, and third. So here let's just take a note of where we're at. So this is the font, the style, the weight, and this is the text size. I'm gonna change this to 1 for now. So it's not 1.1 rem, it's just 1 rem. So that'll be our starting point. And then everything else will be based on that. We could come in here and make some other changes, but I'm gonna focus on this. Typically the main call to action is a filled in button and the transitional call to action is an outline. So let's make this second one an outline. And this is where the magic happens. This feature was not available back in the day on Squarespace, and now it's easy to set up. So here I'm going to go in and I'm going to change the text. So these are equal. I don't think it should be any bigger. For sure it shouldn't be bigger. It could be a little bit smaller, but same size or smaller. So that's that. And then in shape, it gives us a few options. So there's fill and no fill. So I'll do no fill. And then from there, I am going to go into outline and do 1. Let's do 2 pixels. 4 is a lot. 3 is possible, but 2 is just enough. In here, we could start to change the actual spacing of the button and give it extra spacing. So this is the spacing on the sides and this is spacing above and below. And here, I'm just gonna say 1 rem should be enough. You can't really tell with this one. We'll probably tell more with the third button because you can see this falls on 2 lines. All right, so in here, you could come in here and basically do the same thing. You could try something else as well. I'm gonna do no fill, and then I'm gonna do 2 pixels on the outline. That's good to go. The only thing I change here is, as you can see, it'll affect it more because there's more words, but you'll see the spacing here. And then what I can test, because I'm in here, obviously I want to get the third button up here, but you can see that it looks good here as well. So all of those are formatted. But the main part of this video is the main and transitional call to action. You've formatted it. Once you set up primary and secondary, you could use it across your whole site. You don't have to recreate it. I used to do this with custom code every single time, and it took a lot more work. It was beautiful, but it took a lot more work. This is gorgeous, and it's all built in, no code required. So I'll hit save, and we'll be good to go. There we go. Now we have the button styles, and what I'll do is I'll go to edit and then just finalize the last detail here that we've been talking about throughout the video. Is I'm just going to drag this button up here so that it takes up this space there right below it, and we're good to go. Now everything's formatted. I could do more formatting here. It obviously needs it, but you can see how easy it is just to set things up on your site and master the look and feel so that you have a main call to action and a transitional. Friends, if you got value from today's video, hit that like button. When you hit the like button, it tells me that you got value from today's content. It tells the YouTube algorithm some fancy, important, critical information, but it tells me you got value from today's content. Next, if you want more resources for your site on Squarespace, anything from SEO to blogging, check out the links below. We have so many resources on our website, and we're publishing new resources each and every month. So we have plugins, we have downloadables, we have free downloadables, we have blog posts, we have a ton of content, we have a ton of services, a ton of great things for you. Finally, if you want more content just like this, consider subscribing. We publish 3 new videos a week. My mind is blown that we're publishing 3 videos a week. It is a lot of content, but we're doing it for you. So 3 videos a week. If you want more, consider subscribing, and I will see you guys in the next video. Peace.